Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome. Our lesson, or shall I say, I'm going to our video lesson for today is about the third quarter periodic exam reviewer. So this is part one. All right. Okay. First number. Which of the following has a definite length? A ray, B line, C point, D line segment. The answer is D. Okay, number two, it has length and width but no thickness. A point, a B line, C plane, D line segment. The answer is a B. Number three, it is part of a line with one endpoint and extends infinitely in one direction. A ray, B line, C point, D line segment. The answer is a ray. Right. Number four, points that lie on the same plane, A collinear, B non-collinear, C coplanar, D non-coplanar. So remember, same plane. So the answer is coplanar. Next, number five. An undefined term being represented by a flagpole. A point, B line, B plane, C line, D surface. Of course, the answer is C. It represent flagpole represent a line. Number six. If a coordinate of plane T are -6 and 4 respectively, what is the length of PT? So if you're going to illustrate this one, so PT is like this, no? PT. Okay. And it says that P is -6 while T is 4. Okay. So if you are going to get the distance that is -6 or absolute value of -6 minus 4, that is equals to the absolute value of -10. And there is no negative in a distance, so the answer is D. Get it? Next. So we have number 7. Point A is between B or segment BC. If BC is 24 and B is X and AC is 2x plus 3, what is the value of X? So for example, we have line segment BC. Okay, and BC is 24, of course, and A is between, no, A is between BC. So if BA is X and AC, or AC is 2x plus 3, and then B to C is 24, therefore we have x plus 2x plus 3, so we have 3x plus 3 equals 24. Then we got 3x is equals to 24 minus 21. 3x equals 21 minus 2 equals 3 minus 3. Okay, so we got 21 divided by 3 x equals 7. So the answer is B. For number 8, it is a statement or rule that is accepted without proof. The answer is a postulate. Right? Next, if measure angle EBC, okay. For example, EBC, if this one is 105 and CBD, this one is 35, then what is EBD? Okay, so 105 minus 35, 0.70. The answer is letter B. Okay. All right, so let's go now to number 10. If angle ABE and ABC are complementary angles, what is the measure of EBC? No, we're looking for this, or ABD, ABC. No, okay, and the measure is 72. Right, so 180 is the total measure of an supplementary angle. So minus 72, which is one of the supplementary. So we got 8. This will be 7, 0, and 1. So the answer is B. Okay. Okay, let's have now number 11. What property of congruence is illustrated in the statement? AB is congruent to DE, and DE is congruent to EF, and then AB is congruent to EF. And that is DE, EF, AB, EF. It's the symmetric property. If O is the midpoint of TG, then DO is congruent to GO. In ABC, in triangle ABC, congruent to triangle DEF, which segment is congruent to AB? It is DE. For number uh, 14, if triangle TIN is congruent to triangle CAN, then triangle NEC is congruent to, what do you think? It's 10. Letter C. Next, if corresponding parts are marked as shown in the figure, how can you prove that triangle LAB is congruent to LOV? That is true. Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. E. Next, the right direction of the letter correct answer. Okay, what can you conclude if measure angle M, or angle M is a right angle? Therefore, the measure is equals to 90 degrees. Next, in the figure at the right, U is a midpoint of Sn. If issue is 2x and UN is 3x, what is the length of Sn? So we have here 2x plus 3 equals 3x. Okay, so 3x minus 2x. So we got 3. So we have 3x minus 2x is x, and then 3. X is equals to 3. The question is, what is Sn? So if this have 3, so we have 2 times 3. Just substitute, no, the old value of x, plus 3 equals 3 times 3. So we have 6. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 3 equals 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 is equals to 9. Okay, so the answer is A. Next, number 18. How many corresponding congruent parts are there between two congruent triangles? The answer is C. We have in triangle FEL and triangle ENG, FL is congruent to EN, IL is congruent to NG, and FL is congruent to NE. That is true. SSS congruence, or what postulate? Okay, so it is SSS, two triangles are okay. So next, we have two triangles are congruent if and only if all their six corresponding parts are congruent. This is always true. Next, okay, in the figure, what additional pair of congruent parts must be given to prove that the two triangles are congruent by ASA? So if I have angle 1, or if we can see angle 1 is congruent to angle 3, and angle 2 is congruent to angle 4. What are we to ASA? We have angle sides, of course. We have here this is B. No, so we have BD is congruent to DD. Okay, next. Statement that needs to be proven true and accepted is called theorem. Okay, so unlike the postulate, theorem has to be proven true before accepted. Okay, next, triangle QRP is congruent to triangle STU. Okay, so these are the two triangle. Segment RQ, so this one, we have 15 here, and is congruent to SU. So we have 3x equals 15. All right, so divided by 3, x is equals to 5. So therefore, the value of x is 5. Now, if triangle QRP is congruent to triangle STU and angle Q, right? So we have angle Q here. Angle Q is congruent to angle S. Then y is equals to. So we have here 5y is equals to 3y plus 20. So we got 5y minus 3y equals 20. So we got 2y, no, equals 20 divided by 2. Y is equals to 10. Right, so the answer is letter B. And we got here in number 24, what is the measure angle Q? So if our y is 10, therefore for Q here, 5 times 10, no, equals 50. Therefore, we're looking for C. Okay? Thank you, everyone.